Now that we know a little theory on air suspension and have demonstrated it in the real world, let's get more technical, show you how the components apply to a vehicle. Behind the fender lies the air spring. It fits right in where the steel coil spring would be. However, the spring gives us the added functionality of adjusting our ride height through our air management system. Whether you buy a new car with factory air or running a quality aftermarket system, you will have height sensors that allow you to maintain the vehicle height and have presets regardless of the load. We start off here with our valve manifold. Air is compressed and stored in the tank before being delivered through the manifold and sent to each air spring. The brains behind an air suspension system is its ECU. It takes user inputs and height readings and in turn controls the valves to make adjustments. The final component we're going to touch upon is the interface. This is the device a user will interact with in order to make changes in presets, manual adjustments, and adjust settings.